If your tools and equipment move to job sites, to vehicles, to multiple locations, one of the most valuable coverages you may need is something most business owners have never even heard of. It's called inland marine. Let me explain what it is and why it matters. Hi, I'm Marty with JMW Insurance Solutions. We help business owners protect what they've built, especially the mobile tools and equipment that keep work moving. The name inland marine confuses people because it sounds like boats and water, but inland marine insurance has nothing to do with ships. It's about property that moves. Historically, it was designed to cover goods transported over land. Today, it's commonly used to cover tools and equipment that move between sites, property in transit, mobile equipment used at job sites, and specialty property that doesn't fit neatly under a standard property form. Think of it this way: standard property insurance protects your stuff at your location. Inland marine helps protect your stuff when it's moving or when it's off-site. That's exactly why it's so valuable for businesses that don't operate in one fixed place. Here are the situations where inland marine becomes the missing piece. The first is when your tools live in vehicles or trailers. If your equipment is in a truck or trailer most days, standard property policies may have meaningful off-premises limitations that leave you exposed. The second is when your equipment is at job sites. If your business operates on-site, construction, maintenance, installation, field service, your equipment is constantly away from the main address. The third is when you move equipment between locations. If you have more than one site or you're moving inventory and tools between warehouses and work sites, transit exposure is real. The fourth is when your equipment is expensive and mission critical. If losing it creates downtime and you depend on it to generate revenue, you need more certainty than assuming it's probably covered. Depending on how it's structured, inland marine can help protect against theft of tools and equipment off-site, damage at job sites, certain transit-related losses, and coverage tailored to mobile operations. The details always matter. You want to confirm the specific terms, deductibles, and conditions, but the fundamental advantage is that inland marine is designed for the reality of equipment that moves. Now here's the most common misunderstanding I hear. Business owners assume their tools are covered under their commercial auto policy. Commercial auto generally covers the vehicle and the liability. It does not automatically cover the tools and equipment inside at full value, so businesses often discover after a theft that the truck is covered, but the $25,000 of tools inside is not covered the way they expected. Inland marine is often the clean solution for exactly that gap. Here's how to set it up the right way. Start by building an equipment schedule or category list. You don't need to list every individual tool, but identify your high-value items, category totals, replacement cost estimates, and where that equipment typically travels. Use replacement cost valuation when appropriate. Depreciation can significantly reduce payouts if the policy is written on actual cash value. Replacement cost helps ensure you can actually replace what was lost. Confirm the coverage territory. Does your equipment travel to local job sites only, or does it cross county and state lines? Make sure the coverage follows your operational reality. Also, confirm the conditions, locking requirements, storage requirements, protective safeguards, and what the reporting requirements are after a theft, and always align deductibles with your cash flow. A deductible that's too high slows your recovery at the exact moment you need to move fast. Here's a real-world scenario that puts this in perspective. Imagine a contractor with $40,000 of tools and equipment spread across 2 trucks and a trailer. Standard property covers the shop, but equipment is constantly off-site. A theft happens at a job site overnight. Without the right coverage, that business may have to replace tools out of pocket, delay jobs, lose contracts, lose crews due to downtime, and face a long and painful recovery. With properly structured inland marine, the loss is still painful, but it's survivable and recoverable. For many businesses, inland marine is not a luxury. It's the coverage that protects the tools and equipment that make revenue possible, wherever that work actually happens. If you'd like us to review your operations and help you determine whether inland marine should be part of your package, visit us at jmwinsuranceSolutions.com/business-insurance. We'll show you how to structure it so your tools and mobile equipment are truly protected.